how to request a new Shake Shack area near your location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you can become a partner and open up a new Shake Shack area near your location. Did you know that? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. You need to open up your browser, go to shakeshack.com, and you need to scroll down, and under inquiries you can see be our partner. Just tap on it and then just scroll down, and you can see bring Shake Shack to your area. So you need to tap on get in touch and see if you meet the requirements or not. So just tap on it and they will drop a line to their real estate team. So there's no formula to making a successful sex, but there are a few things that you require. So you can see the location must-haves. So if you meet all of these requirements, you can contact the real estate team. You need to put in your information and then you need to tap on submit location. And if you want more information, you can also reach out in the given link. And they will also help in global licensing if you meet all the requirements. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.